Hello and welcome to your next tutorial. This tutorial is going to be about OOP, and this is going to be about public access modifiers, or access modifiers, and the static keyword. Alright, and these two things are prominent within Java and C++. I don't know about Python, but first let's start with the access modifiers. So you all know public, static, void, main, right? You all know what that means, or you probably don't. So let's take it apart. So you know the public, right? Public means it's open to the public, or in this case it's open to other Java packages and other classes. In C++, it just means it's open to other files and libraries. I'm certain. Don't quote me on that. Okay, in protected mode, literal definition, open to VIPs almost, or not the whole public. And Java means it's not open to other packages, but other files or other classes of the same file. So you can have or other classes of the same package. In C++, not open to other libraries, but same files are okay. At least I'm sure. That's what I think it is. In protected, I don't even really know what it means in C++. I'm guessing that it's probably something like that. Okay, next is no modifier, whatever. I don't know if that's how you spell it. In literal transmission, it just means no modifier. Like, really. I don't know why I'm spelling that wrong. In Java, it means it is, hold on, let me think about this. Okay, it means that it is open to, files that extend that class, but not other classes that don't. And correct me if I'm wrong about this. In C++, it's the same thing. You know, classes that extend that one class that has the no modifier in it can use it. Other classes can't. I don't know if I'm correct about that. Correct me if I'm wrong. And private, in real life, it means no one can access it but a very select few, such as a president. In Java, that means no classes can reach that except for the one that has the methods in it already, or a private class nested within another class. In C++, same thing. And now that we went over access modifiers, let's go over one more thing, and that is the static keyword. And this can easily take up the rest of the time. What does that static keyword mean? I'll go explain it in Java first because it's easier. Let's say I had two classes named people. Peep1 equals new people, whatever. And let's pretend in people there's a method called, or no, hold on, we have another peep2 equals new people. So we have that. Let's say in people there is a method called get I amount, and it returns returns 2. But let's say we had it public and we had it static. Well, what does this mean? Well, if we had a private static int called I amount equals 2, and if this returned I amount, well, it's going to equal 2 no matter which object you're using. So peep1 will return 2 and peep2 will return 2 if they call this method within that class. So no matter what, these objects is going to be the exact same number. Now if this wasn't static, then we have an issue. I amount in this can be different than this. If it's static, it'll always be the same. If peep1 modifies that variable, it'll modify for this class too if it's static. Otherwise, I amount for this person is different than I amount for this person. Such as height. This person will be different, have a different height than this person. So if you've done get height, it'll return height. This person will have a different height than that. If it was static, then these two people would have the same height no matter what. If you could make 1,000,000 people objects and they still have the same height if it was static. If one person modifies the height, if one person grows, everyone grows. In C++, it's the exact same thing. It just basically means if you had one peep object equals new people, well, if it was static, same I amount as peep2, same height and all that. Pretty simple. That's your real quick tutorial on access modifiers and the static keyword. So now you know what public static void main means for now. Okay, next tutorial, I don't know what we'll be talking about. This is my last tutorial for night. Until then, until I do my next tutorial, see you later.